essere emisita. Durante la tracción y comercial desconectada y pagada durante el taxi desde el aterrizaje, habrá una parte de cuidado del teléfono celular que se devolverá completamente durante el vuelo. Nos realizamos de más opción por viajar en parques completamente del Express. En breve los demostrados de que se olvida un aspecto más de seguridad, especialmente nos responde cualquier pregunta. Solicitamos de emergencia la sua tripulação e o voo para abrir a salida e os demais passageiros não descarga de saca, segunda forma, o no contacto com um membro de personal de cabina. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Dutch and Delhi's Express, Captain Maurice One and crew, we welcome you on board flight 9182 with destination St. Martin. The flight time to St. Martin will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. Would you please fasten your seatbelts with the back of your seat and if your upright position is stored tray table. Our electronic equipment will be switched off and stowed during taxi, takeoff and landing. The equipment operated with antenna, including the cell phone, will be switched off completely during the entire flight. In a moment, we'll demonstrate the use of the live pads and some other safety procedures. Afterwards, we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. And if you see at any emergency exit row, please telephone to open the exit and assist fellow passengers. If you do not wish to perform these actions or are unable to do so, please contact the cabin crew member. Thank you. Please fasten your seatbelts now and I'll show you how to close the buckle, how to tighten the belt. This is the way to open it again. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 in front of the cabins and 4 in the middle of the wings. In the event of emergency evacuation, all exit signs will be illuminated and the lights on the floor will indicate the location of the nearest emergency exits. The life vest is stowed under your seat. Take the vest out of the plastic bag, take the vest through the neck opening, and fasten the strap around your neck to the front. You may inflate the life vest by giving a purple on the red tag, or by blowing to the red tube on the side of the vest. This may not be done inside the cabin. All life vests are fitted with light, which will be illuminated by pulling the battery tag. Should the cabin pressure drop, oxygen masks will be automatically at all seats. Pull the mask completely towards you since this activates the flow of oxygen. Place the mask to the nose and mouth, adjust the headband and breathe normally. Passengers driving with children must certainly put on their own oxygen mask and then help the children. In your seat pocket, you'll find instruction cards showing you all flight safety instructions and the location of the emergency exits. Please read this carefully before takeoff. We do thank you for your attention. We wish you a happy flight.